I talk in this video how you become a winner in life. A winner is generally constructed as a successful person in life. This certainly has different definition depending on who you ask. Once you have established what your perception of what a winner means to you, you have to ask yourself if that it is an achievable goal and that it is something that you want to achieve. Map out a plan and work at it every day to become winner in your life. Becoming a winner is not an easy task. We all want it, but we are hardly ready to pay the price required for it. In addition, we end up living a life that is just boring and dull. We stay there feeling upset for not getting what we want, but we want it the easy way. Despite the fact that this is the truth for most of you, it is also a perfect recipe for failure in your career and life. Life is always associated with some risk. You cannot live a life without taking any risk. Risk may be sound so frightening to you, but if truth be told, it should not be. This is due to the fact that risk also have outstanding results in the long term. In your daily life, you watch, listen, and read the news of winners. You always know their achievement, but you generally never thought how they got those high positions in life. If you study history, you will find that all stories of great achievement and are also stories of great failures. But people do not see the failures. They only see one side of the picture and they say that he or she got luck in her victory. The fact is that the great achievements have proved themselves by not quitting up from their ambitions. Does a winner always win every game they play? Do they succeed at everything they put their hand to? Of course not. If that were the case, there would be no one on earth who would qualify to be called a winner. What is the difference between winning and being a winner? Winning is an event. Being a winner is a spirit. Winners have kept winning in perspective based on their value system. Winning is never easy. If winning were easy, everybody would do it. This must lead you to the biggest question about winning. If you can mold yourself into a winner, then why do not more people achieve winning results? A majority of people do not win because of lacking of commitment, hard work, discipline, and focused practice is not easy. Why? Because it is the smallest of improvements. Those who cannot even see that separate superstars from average performers. The planning and preparing to win strategy work the same for any field of life. However, if you want to win in your chosen field, how do you practice it? This is the important. The challenge is you can practice your performance, but practice alone does not guarantee success. There are many people who work hard for years without achieving winning results. So, what are missing? The missing factors are setting of realistic goals, planning, and sufficient preparation. You must analyze your performance and you have other analyze your performance. You also compare your result to others in your profession. Most people constantly look for a magic that will lead to their success. When you fail, you refuse to look in the mirror. You want to blame outside situations instead of looking inward. You do not want to admit that you could have win if you would have just worked a little harder and a little smarter. Do you really want to become a winner? Then you must be ready to sacrifice some things in your life. It can be part of your free time, a bad habits that you must leave forever, or your inner fear. So, if you live a life with high hopes, great expectations, and burning desire to succeed, take time to identify a specific area of your personal and professional life you want to improve. Set definite targets and take massive action. Then get feedback on what works and what does not. Make slightly adjustment to your plan and repeat the process. You can learn to prioritize and to make sure that you are moving forward. This is the only way to ensure that you will achieve your dreams. So make it happen from now on. Let's begin today to take real action to turn your dream into reality. Enjoy the process along the way by rewarding yourself for a job well done. But keep in the mind that only action without planning is also major root cause of most failure. Thus, with a plan to lead you, you can figure out how to get where you are going. I will leave you with this thought. Successful people practice while others play, but those who practice today get to play the game they love at the highest level tomorrow. While those who play today will sit on the sidelines tomorrow only wishing they could be the champion they were intended to become. A mix of heart and determination can get you anything in life. What strategy have you implemented to become a winner? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like it, share it.